The lesson today is going to be about divisor count using Office scripts. In order to avoid having to repeat actions, you can automate your task by recording a script or writing a script. So go to the Automate tab and click New Script. First, we have to declare a new variable. Let's call it selected sheet. And we are going to assign a value to our new variable, which is going to be the active worksheet. Sorry. Now we have to create another variable which is going to be the container of the given number. So let's call it n for short. And we are going to assign a value to n, which is going to be the value of the cell A1. We have defined the data type as number. Sorry. Okay, we need a third variable which is going to be called x. That will contain the number of divisors of the given number. And the value is going to be 0. Now, prime numbers have two divisors, 1 and the number itself. Complex numbers have at least 3 divisors. So we are going to use the for loop. The for loop uses a variable known as the counter or an index. So we have to declare this variable, and we are going to assign an initial value to I, which is going to be 1, to keep track of how many times the loop has been executed, on condition that the counter reaches n, the given number. And last but not least, we are going to increase the counter by 1 each time the loop is executed. Now, if n divided by I, the remainder is 0, this means that if n can be divided by I without any remainder. You know, this percent operator is called mod, which returns the remainder when a number is divided by a divisor. So n divided by I if n divided by I, the remainder is equal to 0, and the remainder is equal to 0 if n can be divided by I without any remainder. So if condition is true, we should increase x by 1. So x plus plus. Now all we have to do is output x. So selected sheet, we have this variable called selected sheet get range A2 and set the value of the cell A2 x. Now let's save our script and let's check. For, let's run the script. For has 3 divisors, which is true because it can be divided by 1, 2 and 4 without any remainder. Let's try another number. Let's try a prime number. Prime numbers have only 2 divisors. Let's run the script. It works. Thank you for watching.